European futures rise, yen rebounds, after Japanese elections. European stock futures climbed as global markets were boosted by China's latest fiscal stimulus and steady U.S. market growth. The Euro Stoxx 50 increased by 0.2%, while Asian shares gained after China pledged support for its property sector and economic stability. In contrast, U.S. index futures dipped slightly after the S&P 500 hit its 42nd record close this year. Meanwhile, the yen rebounded as Shigeru Ishiba secured leadership in Japan, suggesting potential interest rate hikes. Investors are now focused on upcoming U.S. inflation data and consumer demand, which could influence future Federal Reserve decisions. China's recent policies, including lowering bank reserve requirements, have been a key driver of market optimism. Additionally, improved U.S. economic data and labor market resilience have further fueled positive sentiment. Commodities like copper and iron ore also rallied, while oil prices fell on expectations of increased supply from Saudi Arabia and Libya. Bitcoin nears key breakout amid positive ETF flows. Bitcoin has been holding steady near the 200-day moving average, or MA, and the $65,000 mark, with the potential for further gains if this level is breached. Positive net inflows into Bitcoin ETFs exceeding $100 million for consecutive days signal growing market confidence. Data from CryptoQuant shows accumulation trends rather than sales, reinforcing bullish sentiment. However, profit-taking remains a risk, as Bitcoin's unspent transaction outputs indicate 84% profitability. Meanwhile, the Mt. Gox bankruptcy case, with 44,899 BTC potentially set for repayment, could increase selling pressure and weigh on prices. Despite these risks, a daily close above the 200-day MA could propel Bitcoin toward the $70,000 mark. Conversely, failure to break through could trigger a pullback, with key support around the 100-day MA at $61,000. The coming days will be critical for Bitcoin's next move. Chile selects sites for private lithium extraction projects. According to Mining Minister Aurora Williams, Chile's government has identified 6 priority areas for private-led lithium extraction projects. The chosen areas span 5 salt flats and 1 lagoon, all with high potential for lithium production. Proposals from private firms are due by the end of the year, with consultations beginning in October with nearby indigenous communities. As the world's second-largest lithium producer, Chile aims to expand its output, increasing production by 70% by 2030. To participate, companies must demonstrate expertise in the lithium value chain and control most mining concessions in the project area. Finance Minister Mario Marcel confirmed that this initiative aligns with Chile's goal to launch multiple new lithium projects during President Gabriel Boric's term.